evaluate the integral of cosine squared 2x dx. So since we have cosine raised to the second power, we can try to apply the reduction formula. What is the reduction formula for cosine squared x? It's equal to 1/2 times 1 plus cosine 2x. But on the given integral, we don't have x but 2x. So therefore, we will multiply. Instead of x here, we multiply 2 times 2x. So cosine squared 2x will be equal to 1/2 times 1 plus cosine 2 times 2x. So therefore, we have, I will put the constant in front, the 1/2 times the integral of 1 plus cosine of 2 times 2x, 4x. And then we can distribute the integral symbol. We have 1/2 integral of 1 dx or dx plus 1/2 integral of cosine 4x dx. So 1/2 integral of dx is x plus 1/2. So the shortcut formula for the integral of cosine ax dx is equal to 1 over a times sine ax plus c, where a is the coefficient of x inside the cosine. So the value of a here is 4. So therefore, the integral of cosine 4x using this formula is 1 over a, which is 4, times sine ax, which is 4x. Then put plus c for the constant of integration. So simplifying further, we'll have 1/2 x plus 1/2 times 1/4, 1/8 sine 4x plus c. So this is the final answer.